Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Hey, smart marketers and entrepreneurs. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of spending hours filming, editing, and posting health and wellness content that barely gets attention? Still paying freelancers hundreds of dollars just to produce a few recipe clips? What if you could skip all of that, no cameras, no editing, no stress, and still launch your own professional, high-protein culinary content business today? Because something big is about to drop. For the first time ever, we're launching a never-before-seen, done-for-you content system built for one of the hottest, fastest-growing trends online, the global high-protein and healthy living movement. This isn't recycled or outdated PLR. This is fresh, professionally crafted, mouth-watering content, filmed, written, and packaged for creators who want to profit from what the world is already craving. If you've ever wanted to tap into a booming niche with zero production work, this is your moment. Introducing Protein Meals Recipe Videos with Unrestricted PLR, your complete, done-for-you library of ready-to-sell, culinary masterpiece videos and beautifully written recipe ebooks, all created for today's booming health and wellness audience. You'll get 150 professionally filmed HD recipe videos, featuring irresistible, high-protein meals that look and taste amazing on camera. From vibrant breakfast bowls to hearty dinner plates, every clip is designed to grab attention and keep your viewers engaged on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. And that's not all, you'll also receive 30 fully editable, premium recipe ebooks, each one visually stunning and loaded with chef-quality inspiration across 3 mouth-watering niches. 10 beef, lamb and red meat recipe ebooks. 10 vegan protein and plant-based meal ebooks. 10 eggs and breakfast proteins ebooks. Every single piece of content is done for you, fully customizable, fully brandyable, and comes with unrestricted private label rights. You can rebrand, resell, license, or repurpose everything and keep 100% of the profits. No filming, no editing, no production costs. Just a complete digital business ready to launch instantly. This is your shortcut to tapping into the multi-billion-dollar health and wellness market and building your brand with professional, visually irresistible culinary content your audience already craves. And to make it even better, we're including a bonus pack of 600 plus healthy cooking shorts and reels, crafted to drive viral engagement and skyrocket your reach. The demand is real. The trend is unstoppable. And the timing, perfect. This isn't just another unrestricted PLR deal, it's a culinary content revolution for marketers who want results without the grind. Click below to unlock Protein Meals Recipe Videos with Unrestricted PLR and step into a world of healthy diet, done-for-you content that builds authority, engagement, and profit. Your audience is hungry for it, and now, you have everything you need to feed the demand.